Join us for a Marma Therapy workshop to learn to use Marma points and energy channels in order to unlock deep healing with the art of touch. Vaidya Jayarajan, a classically trained Ayurvedic doctor and instructor at Kerala Ayurveda Academy, will lead this profound training. Let's hear from him now.
Marmas are vital points in our body that can influence our health and well-being. There are a lot of subtle connections and subtle field working in our body. There are 72,000 nadis, means the channel of flow that takes the energy fields within our mind-body system. And that is going through various meridians and channels. Regulating the flow of such pranic energy can really heal the problems, can enhance the quality of our health, physical and mental. There is a program I created to bring this profound principle, Marma Therapy for energy healing.
Join us for the Marma Therapy workshop by Kerala Ayurveda Academy, where you'll gain hands-on experience in this powerful healing art, rooted in Kerala's deep Ayurvedic tradition. Learn how to activate the body's energy points to relieve pain, reduce stress, and restore vitality using nothing more than touch, oils, and intention. From supporting digestion and restful sleep to enhancing emotional balance and energy flow, this training is designed for both personal and professional growth. Reserve your spot today and bring the ancient wisdom of Marma into your modern healing practice and way of life.